Hey, this is B-Ray549. Thanks for tuning in. Well, as I mentioned on previous videos, that I was going to show you some clocks that I had purchased at this estate sale that I came across. And it was a pretty good estate sale as far as interesting items go. And the guy had to have been a previous clockmaker or repair person, but he had several hundred clocks in this house, and they were all priced really low. I thought they were priced really low. This one here had a $50 price tag on it, and it kind of caught my eye, so I snagged it. And let me show you a little bit about this clock. And you can see there I paid $50 for it, and I've had it going for about half hour, and it's keeping time really well. This is fairly ornate. It has some nice carving up on top, but it's fairly ornate. It's been well taken care of. The face of the clock is showing some wear, especially at the bottom for some reason. Oh, look at that. A little spider paying a visit. And I'm not sure how old it is, but if you look at the flags there, it looks like it's like 48 star flags, which would be pre-1959 era, because that's when they added Alaska and Hawaii to the Union. It's actually a pretty cool logo. It's got the two American flags, American Eagle. It's got the, I think they call them swords. They probably call them something else. And the little cannon down there. And the rifles. Does it have a bayonet on them? Yeah, I think those have bayonets on them. The bugle and the drum. That is really a cool logo. Really like that. But it's kind of a that's our cat. That is Sprout. He must be hungry. Anyway, yeah, so let's open this up and see what it looks like inside. Not much different. Comes with the key, and you can change the height of that pendulum, and that will adjust the, oh, there you go. Nice sound to it. It almost sounds like a gong almost. Anyway, by raising and lowering this pendulum, it will make the clock movement operate faster or slower. And this side winds the clock, and that side winds the chime. And it'll chime one time on the half hour, and then once for every hour on the hour. And you notice it has these numbers 1 through 31 around the face of the clock. So every day it counts what day it is. And not sure how to set that, if you just move it with your hand or not. So before I do anything, I'm gonna check with a clock shop. Let's flip it around. Now, see, when you move it, sometimes it'll throw off the swing. And just pretty much just a basic wood box. Very simple construction. Here's the bummer. Well, not total bumper, because it has some of it, but it doesn't have the entire label for the clock makers. Oh, look at that. It's an 8-day clock, And it looks like somebody paid, I'm not sure what that is. Is that a $5 sign or is that a, I'm not sure. New Haven, Connecticut. Okay. Wow. Wish I knew for sure what that was. That's got to be a $5 sign. Yeah. They paid $5 for that. Wow. Went up in value 10 times because I paid $50 for it. Anyway. So when I brought it home, I told my wife that I bought another clock. And I don't think she totally appreciates the low price I paid for this clock. Anyway, I will have to find a good location for it. It deserves to be displayed somewhere. So, anyhow. Oh yeah, I was gonna let you hear how loud it is. I don't know if the video will show you how loud it is, but let me wind it forward. And I tell you what, none of my family's happy with how loud that is, so I'll probably keep winding the clock portion, and I'll quit winding the chime portion so that it's not so obnoxious. I kind of like it, but I can see where it might get a little loud at times. Not only did I buy this big mantle clock, and I got to figure out where we're going to put it, but the fellow also had a bunch of small clocks. And I'll show you those in my next video. Anyway, this is B-Ray 549. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.